Tired of working in a dim garage that hides every detail? Today, we're counting down the best LED shop lights for garages that deliver powerful brightness, wide coverage, and energy efficiency to transform your workspace. Whether you're wrenching on a car, building DIY projects, or organizing tools, these lights will help you see everything clearly. Check the links in the description below to get the latest prices and more details on each LED shop light featured in this video. Let's jump in. AORETIC LED Garage Lights. Bright, shadow-free lighting can completely transform how a garage or workshop feels and functions. The AORETIC LED garage lights deliver powerful illumination with an impressive 18,000 lumens output, making them ideal for large indoor spaces. Featuring a modern 6+1 deformable panel design, each panel adjusts up to 90 degrees to provide full 360-degree coverage without dark corners. The 6,500 Kelvin daylight color temperature and CRI above 80 ensure clear, natural-looking visibility for detailed tasks. Built with an aluminum heatsink and hollow-out panel design, heat dissipation is efficient, helping extend the lifespan to over 50,000 hours. Installation is extremely simple thanks to the E26/E27 screw-in base, requiring no tools or wiring. Users consistently praise the brightness, easy setup, and flexible panel angles, noting a huge upgrade over standard bulbs. However, some customers report concerns about long-term durability, with a few units failing earlier than expected. Overall, it offers excellent brightness and convenience for its price. POLARPRA Garage Lights. A well-lit workspace improves safety, efficiency, and comfort during everyday projects. The POLARPRA garage lights provide strong illumination with 160 watts of power and up to 16,000 lumens per fixture using high-quality LED diodes. Its 6+1 adjustable panel design allows light to be directed exactly where needed, reducing shadows and glare. Emitting a crisp 6,500 Kelvin daylight tone with CRI 80+, it creates a bright, natural working environment. The ABS panels combined with an aluminum heatsink enhance heat dissipation and corrosion resistance, supporting a rated lifespan of 50,000 hours. Designed to fit standard E26/E27 sockets, installation is quick and tool-free. Customers appreciate how easily these lights turn dark garages and barns into daylight-bright spaces, while also saving up to 85% energy compared to traditional bulbs. Although many users feel the lights are well built, a few mention premature failures after several months. Still, the brightness, adjustability, and value make them a popular choice. AUDLES 2-Pack Garage Light. Good lighting makes a noticeable difference in productivity and overall workspace quality. The AUDLES 2-Pack Garage Light stands out with a powerful 200-watt output and a dense array of 248 LED chips for intense brightness. Its 6+1 deformable panel design allows each panel to tilt up to 90 degrees, ensuring even light distribution across every corner of the garage. Designed for E26/E27 sockets, installation is quick and completely tool-free. The sturdy polycarbonate housing and advanced heat dissipation system help extend the lifespan up to 50,000 hours. Suitable for garages, workshops, basements, and storage areas, this light offers commercial-grade performance in a simple screw-in format. Users frequently mention how dramatically it improves visibility compared to regular bulbs and appreciate the strong value for money. While many are satisfied with performance, some customers report mixed functionality, including occasional panel issues and lifespan concerns. Overall, it's a powerful, versatile lighting solution with impressive brightness. SUNCO 10-Pack LED Shop Lights. Consistent overhead lighting is essential for large garages and workspaces. The SUNCO 10-Pack LED Shop Lights provide reliable, evenly diffused illumination with a frosted cover that reduces glare. Each 4-foot fixture delivers 4,500 lumens at a 5,000 Kelvin daylight color temperature while consuming only 40 watts. These commercial-grade lights are ETL, FCC, and RoHS certified, ensuring safety and performance. The linkable design allows up to 4 fixtures to be connected together, creating extended lighting coverage with minimal wiring. Installation is straightforward using the included mounting hardware or hanging chains for plug-and-play convenience. Built with lightweight plastic housing, they are easy to handle and reposition as needed. Customers praise their brightness, ease of installation, and excellent value, especially for lighting large garages or workshops. Some users note the fixtures feel lightweight or slightly flimsy, but overall performance and long-term support with a 7-year warranty earns strong positive feedback. AGRANTOP 2 Pack-Linkable LED Shop Lights. Reliable lighting plays a key role in creating a safe and productive workspace. The AGRANTOP 2 Pack-Linkable LED Shop Lights deliver a strong 15,000 lumens output using 100 watts of power with a crisp 6,000 Kelvin daylight tone. Built with die-cast aluminum housing and tempered glass, these lights are designed for durability and long-term use. The integrated aluminum heatsink helps maintain performance while extending the lifespan up to 50,000 hours. A linkable design allows up to 4 compatible units to connect seamlessly, controlled by a convenient inline switch. Installation is flexible thanks to adjustable brackets, hanging chains, and a long 9.84-foot power cord. Customers appreciate the wide 120-degree beam angle that eliminates dark spots and provides even coverage. While brightness and build quality receive praise, some users report heat buildup and occasional flickering over time. Overall, these lights offer solid performance and versatility for garages and workshops. HYKOLITY 4-Pack Linkable LED Shop Light. Efficient lighting can significantly reduce energy costs while improving visibility. The HYKOLITY 4-Pack Linkable LED Shop Light delivers 2,500 lumens per fixture at only 22 watts, achieving an impressive 115 lumens per watt efficiency. Emitting a clean 5,000 Kelvin daylight white color, it provides instant-on brightness without flicker or warm-up time. The compact 2-foot design is ideal for garages, basements, workshops, and grow areas. ETL certification ensures safety and reliability, while a rated 50,000-hour lifespan minimizes maintenance. These fixtures can be linked together using plug connections, supporting up to 6 units in a single run. Installation is simple, with included hanging chains, mounting screws, and a power cord with an on-off switch. Customers consistently praise the brightness, lightweight build, and daisy-chain convenience. Many also find them excellent for indoor plants and seed starting. Overall, this is a dependable, energy-efficient lighting solution with strong value. GJIA LED Linear High Bay Light. High-output lighting is essential for large commercial and industrial spaces. The GJIA LED Linear High Bay Light delivers exceptional brightness with a massive 45,000 lumens output at 300 watts and an efficiency of 150 lumens per watt. Emitting a 5,000 Kelvin daylight tone, it provides clear and uniform illumination for warehouses, workshops, gyms, and garages. The slim 3-foot aluminum housing is lightweight yet durable, designed with advanced thermal management to reduce lumen depreciation over time. Installation is simplified with a suspension chain system that allows easy height adjustment by one person, featuring 0 to 10 volt dimming capability and compatibility with motion sensors. It supports smart energy-saving solutions with up to 85% power reduction. Customers frequently highlight the outstanding brightness, solid build quality, and overall value. While some report mixed experiences with advanced sensor functionality, most users are highly satisfied with its performance and reliability. That wraps up our list of the best LED shop lights for garages. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more tool and garage upgrades, and check the links in the description below for the best deals. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.